We're at Honeymoon Island State Park. We're located in west central Florida, just off the coast of the city of Dunedin, Florida. These islands are pretty amazing. You know, a good majority of the Barrier Islands in Florida have been developed over the years. There's nothing like it. There's a sense of peace. You're in the most populated county in the state of Florida, most densely populated county. And when you get out there, you just step back in time. At Honeymoon Island, we have about 4 miles of beach. Now that beach comes and goes, it grows. You know, you're never gonna walk on the same beach twice. Honeymoon Island has the distinction it's the most visited state park in the state of Florida. But even with all those people, there's so much space, you do get an opportunity to spread out. You get away from the crowd a little bit. Again, it's where that re-energizing comes in. You know, you could be sitting in your living room looking through a magazine, looking at pictures, but it's nothing like that feeling that you get. You can smell it, you can taste it in the air. You have to get out and experience it to really understand what it's all about.